Regression. Regression is an estimation of one independent variable in terms of the other. The regression line of y on x is y minus y bar equal to r into sigma y by sigma x into x minus x bar. What is y bar and x bar? You already know. Y bar and x bar, they are mean values, and r is the correlation coefficient. Sigma y is standard deviation of y and sigma x is standard deviation of x. Then similarly you have regression line of x on y. It is given by x minus x bar equal to r into sigma x by sigma y into y minus y bar. Now the coefficient of x in equation 1, the coefficient of x here is r sigma y by sigma x, and the coefficient of y in equation number 2, that is coefficient of y here is r sigma x by sigma y. These are known as regression coefficients and their product. So if you multiply these two values here, you get r square, sigma y and sigma x will cancel. So r is equal to plus or minus square root of coefficient of x, that is this value, into coefficient of y. So whenever you have to calculate the value of the correlation coefficient r for two straight lines of this form, we use this formula. R is equal to plus or minus root of coefficient of x into coefficient of y. The sign of r will be positive or negative according as the regression coefficients are positive or negative. Please note, if both these values are positive, then the value of r will be positive. If both these values are negative, then the value of r will also be negative. The lines of regression, equation 1 and equation 2, that is these equations here, are also of the form y minus y bar equal to summation xy divided by summation x square into x minus x bar, and x minus x bar is equal to summation xy divided by summation y square into y minus y bar. The capital here, capital X is equal to x minus x bar, capital Y is equal to y minus y bar. We have already seen that in the last recording. Now this form will be useful for finding the coefficient of correlation r, and r is equal to plus or minus root of coefficient of x into coefficient of y. Let's see a few problems. Find the correlation coefficient. Correlation coefficient means r here, and the equation of the lines of regression for the following values of x and y. So these are the values taken by x and these are the values taken by y. So now here, first of all, to calculate the value of correlation coefficient r, you already know the formula for finding r. R is equal to summation xy divided by square root of summation x square into square root of summation y square. So we need to first find the values of capital X and capital Y. So x values here are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. X bar will be summation x by n, which is equal to 3. So using that, you can find the values of capital X. Capital X values are x minus x bar. So subtracting all these values by the value of mean 3, we get the corresponding values of capital X. Then Y values are given 2, 5, 3, 8, 7. And capital Y will be y minus y bar. So we find the value of y bar. Y bar is adding all these values of y, summation y divided by n, that is total number of values given. Y bar is equal to 5. So using that, we find the value of capital Y, and they take the values minus 3, 0, minus 2, 3, 2, etc. Then the values which are needed here are the values of x square, y square and xy. So we find the values of capital X square, capital Y square by squaring these two columns, and capital XY by multiplying these values with these values here. So after that, calculate the summations of these three columns here. So we get summation x square equal to 10, summation y square equal to 26, and summation xy equal to 13. Substitute these values in R. So we get the correlation coefficient R equal to 0.8062, which is nearly equal to 0.81. Now to find the regression line of y on x, we have the following formula, that is y minus y bar equal to summation xy by summation x square into x minus x bar. So y bar value and all these values which we need here, they are already calculated, they are here. Just substitute them in this equation and simplify the equation, and after simplification we get y equal to 1.3x plus 1.1. The next thing which we find is the regression line of x on y, and it is given by x minus x bar equal to summation xy by summation y square into y minus y bar. X bar and all these values are already calculated, put them here, solve it, you get the next equation as x equal to 0.5y plus 0.5. Let's see the next problem. Obtain the lines of regression and hence find the coefficient of correlation for the data given below. In the previous problem, what they had given is find the correlation coefficient and then find the equations of the lines of regression. Whereas in this case, we have to find the lines of regression first and then find the correlation coefficient. So these are the values taken by x and y. So we must find the regression lines first here. So as usual, we make the computation table. X bar is 4, y bar is 11, and we calculate the values of the summations here itself, summation x square, summation y square, and summation xy. So first we find the regression line of y on x, which is equal to y minus y bar equal to summation xy by summation x square into x minus x bar. On solving, we get the first regression line of y on x as y equal to 0.93x plus 7.28. Now the regression line of x on y is x minus y x bar equal to summation xy by summation y square into y minus y bar. Solve it. So we get x equal to 0.93y minus 6.23. So now we have finished the calculation of regression lines. We have two regression lines now, and using these two lines we have to find the value of correlation coefficient R. So what does the formula say? The formula says that R is equal to square root of coefficient of x into coefficient of y. So when you take this particular equation, the coefficient of x here is 0.93. So coefficient of x here is 0.93 into coefficient of y. So for that we have to take the second line, and coefficient of y here is 0.93. So R is equal to plus 0.93. The sign is positive here because both the coefficients are positive. Look at the coefficient value here, plus 0.93, and here also the coefficient is plus 0.93. Since both of them are positive, R will be equal to plus 0.93. Again, it's given here, the sign of R must be positive since both the regression coefficients are positive. So please read the question. If they ask you to find the regression lines first, calculate them first, and using them find the value of R. In this question, they have given find the coefficient of correlation for the data. So first we are finding R, and then we are finding the regression lines. So these are the values given by x and y, and this is the computation table. X bar will be 20, y bar will be 21, summation x square is 280, summation y square is 630, summation xy is 252, and when you calculate the value of R, it will be 0.6. Now let's find the regression line of y on x. So y minus y bar equal to summation xy by summation x square into x minus x bar. So if you solve it, we get y equal to 0.9x plus 3. Similarly, we get the regression line of x on y, that is x minus x bar equal to summation xy by summation y square into y minus y bar. Substitute all the values, you get the next line as x equal to 0.4y plus 11.6. Fourth one, obtain the lines of regression and hence find the coefficient of correlation for the data. So here we first calculate the lines, and then using that we have to find the value of r. These are the values taken by x and y. This is the computation table. X bar is 7, y bar is 15. The regression line of y on x is y minus y bar equal to summation xy by summation x square into x minus x bar. Put all the values. You get the first line as y equal to 1.76x plus 2.68. Similarly, you get the second line as x minus x bar equal to summation xy by summation y square into y minus y bar. So the second line here is x equal to 0.44y plus 0.4. So now what we have to calculate is, using these two lines, we have to find the coefficient of correlation. So r is equal to square root of coefficient of x. The coefficient of x in this line is 1.76, and the coefficient of y in this line is 0.44. So multiply them and take the square root. R will be equal to plus 0.88. The sign of r is positive because both the regression coefficients are positive. See the coefficients, plus 1.76 and plus 0.44. Fifth one, find the regression line of y on x for the following data. X takes the values from 1, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9, 11, 14, and y takes these values here. Estimate the value of y when x is equal to 10. So this is the computation table. Here please note, they are asking you to calculate only one line, and that line is the regression line of y on x. You don't have to calculate the regression line of x on y, so that is not there, and you don't have to calculate the correlation coefficient r. You have to just find the regression line of y on x, and after getting that equation you have to find the value of y when x takes the value 10. This is the computation table. So now please note, the formula says the regression line of y on x is y minus y bar equal to summation xy by summation x square into x minus x bar. So here if you want, you can skip writing this column itself because it is not used anywhere. So you get y is equal to 0.6364x plus 0.5452. After substitution of all these values here, we get this equation. Now when x is equal to 10, put x equal to 10 here, you will get the corresponding value of y as 6.9092.